In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on memory integrity on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. Now at first, what you have to do is just go to settings. So just go to your search and search for settings. From the best matches, just open up settings. Then from the left-hand menu, just go to privacy and security. From here, at the top, you'll find security section. Just open up Windows security from this. Then you'll get a bunch of protection areas. Just go inside device security. Expand this and you'll find core isolation at the top. Just click on core isolation details. And inside this at the top, you'll find memory integrity. It basically prevents attacks from inserting malicious code into high security processes. As you can see, memory integrity is currently turned off for me, which makes my device vulnerable. And to make it safe and secure, I have to turn it on. So to turn it on, I have to simply click on this toggle button and give it administrator permission if it asks for it. And after that, as you can see, my memory integrity is turned on, but I still have to make a system restart to give all the changes chance to be applied. So I'll just close this, close everything from here, and go ahead and restart my computer. And after I come back, my memory integrity will be turned on and applied on my computer. And basically that is it. And that is how to turn on memory integrity on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.